having some pineapple. How you guys doing? It's been a little bit since I've updated on this channel, and it's just because I've been super busy doing a bunch of different projects. I have this really cool trip coming up in I think February of next year. We're gonna bring a bunch of subscribers and go to Thailand. It's gonna be a blast. But anyways, yeah, been super busy, and I've been meaning to make some more entrepreneurial videos. I'm gonna make some more crypto talks too, but I've been promising you guys, I'm gonna show you ways that you can escape the 9-to-5, how you can make money on the side and build that up to a point where you can quit your job and take that side money and make that your main money. Now, this is gonna be the first case example. This is gonna be the first one where I actually tell you exactly what you can do instead of just giving you the motivation to go start looking on how to be an entrepreneur. This is just one simple way that you can start. There are 100 different ways, so don't think that this is the only way you can do it. But this is a defined, not easy, but very straightforward one that you can do. I'll shut up and start getting into it. You can start an Instagram page that moves general content in a niche. What I mean by that is you can start, for example, a meme page. A page where you have highly shareable images that you necessarily don't need to create. You can just repost other images that you find and curate, and then that can grow your Instagram. So for example, there's an Instagram called Vegan Community. This guy or team of guys, I have no idea who it is, basically just started a couple of years ago posting vegan memes, so jokes and stuff like that, combined also with vegan infographic photos. So if it's talking about how much water is used to make meat, but they make it into a pretty little graph or whatever. But I don't think that any of the content that they've posted is original. I believe they just keep reposting other people's memes and infographics. And by doing this, people will tag their friends, they'll share the image, and if you have it watermarked, then that's, promoting you. And eventually what happens after posting daily, you do have to stay consistent. What you can also do is you can stockpile a bunch of images up for 3 months. You can even use a scheduler and just do all the work at once and then have it post 1 to 2 images a day. However strategy you want to do it, you slowly gain a following, and this is where the boys are separated from the men, man. No, but seriously, this is where people who are going to be stuck in the 9-to-5 are separated from people who actually have the initiative to get out of the 9-to-5. Is you have to post daily, and you're not going to get paid a dime for years. For years, you're going to have to do something every day for probably 2 to 3 years, and you're going to get very little return on it. The idea is that you have to push through to actually build something that is worth making money with. The long road is that maybe you're getting 100 followers a month. You build it up. Over time, you'll have thousands, and then you'll be getting more and more a month. When you get to, I would say, somewhere around 50,000 followers, or when you get somewhere around 1,500 likes, 2,000 likes per photo, then you can start selling whatever it is. You can either sell products through your Instagram and get a commission. You can do Amazon affiliate type stuff, get a commission, or like a lot of Instagrams do, you can sell shout outs on your page. Vegan Community specifically, I've played with them before. I believe their latest price sheet, this is crazy, their latest price sheet was 4 posts for $360. If you go on Vegan Community right now and go look at all the images, every single person that is tagged in there, if there's some guy who's yo, it's me, whatever vegan muscle, and it's go check out this awesome channel and this awesome Instagrammer, that guy certainly paid for that post. And you can be assured that guy paid $60 to $80 for that post. Now, that might sound mind-blowing, but when you get to this certain point that Vegan Community is at, you're making so much money. You are making, maybe 2 to 3 posts a day, and so that's 6, 12, 18, $180. And that's just literally from growing it, from reposting images that people are going to share, and then eventually pitching yourself out there. There's multiple websites where you can list your Instagram account so that people can go on that site and look for people who are selling shoutouts, or you can do it on your own. But that is just one simple way that you can do it. I'm telling you, there's 100 different ways. I'm going to keep trying to show you guys different strategies and techniques, but literally, you just got to find where you can put yourself and make value. And it's so simple. You don't need money, you don't need overhead, you just need time and you need intention. And you need to put some effort into it. So there we go. Just coming out with the first one of these little series of like little things that you can start doing now. If you guys want to start doing this, that would be awesome. You can start building it over the course of the year. You're gonna have something that's really valuable. If not, wait till the next one that I have. Hopefully I have another strategy that kind of hits your heart a little bit more and seems like something that you want to do. I wanted to make this video though because I love this second channel. I want to keep the second channel going. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the very next video.